Hello guys, I welcome you all to today's video. In today's video we will continue from our training on the price action and candle formation. Okay, I believe you guys are enjoying it, and of course I'm very sure that you are getting along with it and you are practicing everything that I am explaining in this, during this session. Okay, so because practice makes perfect. Okay, it is what you practice that you will be able to perfect. And of course, for those of you that have been asking questions, I believe you are getting the right answers to your questions. Okay, so in case you have more questions on the training that is going on at the moment, then you can ask me. My contact details are always there, so just send message to me and I will always be there to reply you. So we will continue from there and we will be checking out other things in today's video. So quickly, before we go straight into that, I welcome you all to Qora Digital Cash. In case you are new on this platform, this is a platform which I used to share with you my ideas on how you can make some money online, most especially within the Forex niche. All you need to do is just to take some time to browse through the channel, watch some of my training videos, make sure you understand the strategies shared, and of course try as much as possible to practice and perfect your skill first on your demo account before trying them out on your real account. Okay, that has been our major secret to success on this platform. Okay, of course, if you love my videos, can you give me thumbs up and share with families and friends? If you have any question at all, or you want to know more about my trading strategies, or maybe you want to know more about my trading tools, feel free to contact me. My contact details are displayed on the screen and I will be dropping them in the description box below this video. If you are yet to subscribe to this channel, can you do so now, and also turn on the notification bell to all notifications. That way you always be notified whenever I upload a training video like this. Okay guys, so we will be going straight into what we have right away. A few days ago I started a training on the price action and candle formation. Okay, like I said, it is the price actions that leads to candle formation, and there are some specific patterns of the candle that you need to see for you to know if there will be a breakout, if the trend will be changing, if there will be a pullback, and all these things, and when you should go into the trade and when you should exit the trade. Okay, all these are very important. Once you are able to identify some of these patterns, then you will be able to trade the asset for a very long time, or for short. It depends on the market situation. Okay, so quickly, today my last two videos focused on the bearish aspect of it, and I'll quickly run through it so that we get to understand the way it works and when we should follow the patterns whenever we see it. Then probably we will go to the chart to try to identify some of these patterns, if they are really there or not. Okay, so these are what we will be doing today, but tomorrow we'll be checking the bullish aspect of it. Then from there we continue that way so that we will understand how to go about it. So quickly, let's go straight into what we have right away. So like I said, I will be giving us a quick recap on everything that we have said earlier on in my first two videos on this, then so that we can continue from there, just for us to have, just for me to lay more emphasis on it and for you to understand everything about it before I go fully into it. Okay, before we start practicing with it. Okay, so this is how it works. Okay, these are some of the patterns that signifies that we should sell whenever we're saying this. Okay, it shows that we should be getting ready to sell or to sell. Okay, so these are some of the things that we get to see. The first one is called the shooting star. Okay, for the shooting star, we will have a bullish candle forming in this form. Okay, with this form, and we will have the next candle should be in this form, which is a bearish candle with wick at the top and below here, and having a small body. Okay, it will be having a small body starting from the edge of the body of the bullish pattern. When we have these two candles form, then the next candle signifies that we should sell from there, so we can start selling from there whenever we have such opportunity. Okay, and if it is in this form, you come in, the market is going on uptrend, and we have a bullish candle with this body, big body. Then the next one was having a small body in between. Okay, in between 2 weeks, and we have the next one, which is a bearish candle with full body like this. Then that is called an evening star. Okay, you can see that it looks like a star, like this one, this in the middle. Okay, that is called an evening star. So it shows that we should sell at that particular point. So where are we to sell? The next candle that will be created is an opportunity for us to start selling from. Okay, so not that you should start selling from here or from here. You wait for the next candle to pop up before, to start. You wait for the creation of the next candle. Let it start, let it begin first before you start placing your order. Okay, so at the beginning of the next candle, that is when you start selling. Okay, so that is the way it works. For the bearish engulfing candle, probably the market was on uptrend. The last candle that was created was the bullish candle. Then thereafter the bullish candle, we got another bearish candle that is starting about with the body starting about the same place where the body of the last bullish candle was created, but the body of the bearish candle was longer. It's longer than the last bullish candle. Okay, the body of the bearish candle is longer than the last bullish candle, then definitely it is called engulfing candle. Okay, so the next candle that will be created should be where you should start selling from. Okay, so that is the way it works. Okay, we're going to find all these things in the chart. It's very easy, and I'm going to explain to you where you should look out for in order to find all these things. Okay, so then we have that cloud cover. Okay, that cloud cover gives you a bullish candle with a large body like this, and a bearish candle immediately with a large body almost the same size with that of the bullish candle, or probably a little bit the bullish candle would be a little bit bigger than the bearish candle, but they will be almost the same size in most cases. Okay, so at that point, okay, it shows that the next candle should be a bearish movement. Okay, that is where you should start selling at that point. Okay, so that is the way it works. This is very, very popular. This is popular. This is also popular. It is very common. These two are very, very common in the charts. Okay, so you should look out for that. Okay, then we have this tweezer top, that is both of them will be having, both of them looks like this, but this time around they will be having a very long wick at the top, and our short one below them, they have small bodies. Okay, it shows that the next candle should start selling. Okay, so these are some of the patterns that you should look out for whenever you are trading. Okay, but these patterns, since they are patterns for selling in the market, then definitely where you should look out for them is at the resistance level. I'm going to repeat that again. Okay, all these patterns, they are patterns for selling. Okay, so in most cases you don't really need to look out for them at the support region, except if the support region is broken. Okay, you look out for them at the resistance level. Okay, once you look out for them at the resistance level, you are able to see any of these patterns. Okay, you are having about 90% assurance that there will be a reversal or a pullback in price action at that particular point, because the market should be going up, but once you see the formation setting around the resistance level, then you should know that the market should go down again from there. So that is the way it works, guys. So it is very vital, it is very important to follow that when you see them around the resistance level. Okay, so like we always advise, always set your stop loss in case there is a a sudden reaction in price action, so that you won't get to lose more than what you can afford to lose. But in most cases, this will definitely work out for you. So let's go straight to the chart to see if you can identify some of this pattern. Okay, so we will be checking out the resistance region. Okay, here is a resistance region. Here is a particular one. This particular one, I don't know if you can see it very well, is the same thing with this, with engulfing, bearish engulfing candle. You can see the bullish pattern and the bearish pattern. I mean bearish candle longer than the, with the body longer than that of the bullish candle. Okay, so let's go back to the chart. You can see this. Okay, you can see the bearish, I mean the bullish candle right here. Then the bearish candle is longer than the bullish candle. So that is how it works. Okay, this is an evening star. You can see the evening star right here. So this is an evening star still around the resistance level. So we can see quite a lot of them. Okay, let's see more. Let's see more. Okay, so right here is another one. Here is a bearish engulfing. You can see after that, this should be your start. This is where you should start selling, and you can see that it's sold for a while. And of course, let's see more. Let's see more. Okay, right here is another one called shooting star. You can see this particular one, shooting star, and that is it right here. This is it, shooting star. You can see the bullish candle and the small bearish candle beside it. So the next candle that shoots, I mean that will appear, should be where you should start selling. You can see that it's sold for a while. Okay, so that is the way it works. Okay, that is the way it works. So these are how you can identify them. Once you are able to identify them on the on the resistance level, then you should know that there won't be a breakout at that. In most cases, it won't lead into a breakout. It will lead into a downtrend. Okay, either for a short time or for a very long time. That is why you need to take note of all these, so that you will understand how to go about it. Okay, so once you are able to practice and perfect your skills with this, then you will be able to trade for long. Okay, you will be able to trade for long using this strategy. So guys, I will be stopping right here. Remember, this is coming to you courtesy Qora Digital Cash. If you have any question at all, feel free to contact me. My contact details are displayed on the screen, and I will be dropping them in the description box below this video. And if you are yet to subscribe to this channel, kindly do so now and turn on the notification bell to all notifications. That way you will always be notified whenever I upload a training video. Okay guys, do not forget to join us later on in the day for the $500 trading tips for trading boom and crash. So kindly practice and perfect everything that we have discussed in today's video. So watch out for my next video. Until then, God bless.